the recorded knowledge stays behind.
Speakers.
Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever.
No.
At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But these forms of trade with all of them are unique. They have a simple concept. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? That's the thing. They invented it.
It's weird.
The ancient Greeks were great inventors of the future. First, they established public schools, and then began teaching an intriguing new subject called mathematics. And with math comes mechanical technology and the birth of the high-tech life we enjoy today. With lessons learned from the Greeks, the Romans create a powerful empire. To move their armies around, they built a system of roads all over the known world. Rome built the first worldwide web, and it's leading us towards the future.
Oh, no, you can't.
Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt.
I mean, I never noticed them.
Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. Or so we think. It turns out that the copies of some of these books in the libraries are watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, monks toil endlessly recording books by hand. That is about to change. In 1450, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge and travels books make it easier to invent the future in every field. And the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance.
Where's the telephone? The telephone. I always notice that whenever I'm riding. Yeah. Cool. Wow.
And today we receive word that a
By now, communications between square of 1969 from somewhere else.
Oh yeah, you gotta get that. Boom.
To send a man to the moon, we have to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first, very large, very expensive computers, but we see the potential. What if everyone could have one of these amazing machines in their own house? This is one problem. They're as big as a house. The solution is to, of all places, a garage in California. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that goes with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance.
Surface elevator. Yeah. Now this is where it's gonna get interesting. Oh yeah, that's how it rotates. That's very interesting.
After 30,000 years of time travel, here we are. A truly global community, poised to shape the future of this, our spaceship Earth.
You are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers.
Attention travelers, remain seated. Your time machine has been activated.
Whoa.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions first. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in your future, it'll be more fun than ever to enjoy nature in the great outdoors.